This engine consumes up to 250 tons of fuel per day and produces 109,000 horsepower. It is the Wärtsilä RT-Flex 96C, the largest engine in the world. The Wärtsilä RT-Flex 96C is a two-stroke, 14 cylinders, turbocharged low-speed diesel engine, designed by the Finnish manufacturer Wärtsilä. It is 13.5 meters tall, about 4 stories of residential building height, and weighs over 2,300 tons, approximately the weight of 15 adult blue whales. It was produced in 2006 to power the largest container ship at that time, called Emma Maersk. This massive ship is of 170,000 gross tonnages and carries up to 350,000 tons of cargo. The Wärtsilä engine is capable of driving this massive weight with a speed of more than 25.5 knots or 47.2 kilometers per hour. Of course, this massive amount of power comes with a huge cost of fuel consumption. As we mentioned before, it consumes approximately 250 tons of fuel per day, which is equivalent to 3,700 full tanks of a Ford Ranger Raptor diesel pickup. This amount of fuel could travel the Raptor up to 3,130,000 kilometers. This engine is made up of 14 huge pistons, each weighing 5.5 tons and is 6 meters long. Each cylinder is 1,828.7 liters and consumes up to 160 grams of fuel per cycle at full load, producing up to 5,720 kilowatts. Its crankshaft alone weighs up to 300 tons. The engine is capable of producing up to 7,600,000 Newton meters of torque at 102 revolutions per minute. Do you think we could one day reach this amount of power with smaller engine size? And which engines do you think are competing with the Wärtsilä engine?